world ruled by giants, some empires are built with bricks, mortar, and steel. Others rise from lines of code and algorithms. But one empire, both tangible and intangible, is quietly reshaping one of humanity's oldest industries. This isn't just a car company, it's a tech juggernaut, a geopolitical force, a game changer. This is Tesla. Welcome to Boardroom Secrets, where we dive deep into the hidden forces driving the future. When you hear Tesla, you probably picture sleek electric cars, lightning-fast acceleration, and a charismatic CEO stirring up headlines. But that's just the shiny surface of a much deeper iceberg. Beneath the polished metal and silent electric motors lies a power far greater than horsepower. It's data, the invisible fuel powering a revolution. This isn't a story about electric vehicles. It's about how Tesla turned every car into a mobile sensor, every mile into a stream of data, and built the largest data empire the transportation world has ever seen. An empire that's rewriting the rules of how we drive, how cities function, and how a trillion-dollar industry must evolve or die. To grasp Tesla's dominance, let's rewind to its core mission, a vision that sparked this revolution. From day one, Tesla's goal wasn't just to build zero-emission cars. It was to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. That's not just a catchy slogan, it's the North Star guiding every move. Tesla didn't want to sell cars. They aimed to create an ecosystem, solar panels on your roof, Powerwall batteries storing clean energy, and electric vehicles charged by the sun. While legacy automakers obsessed over horsepower and gas engines, Tesla saw a future where cars aren't static machines, but connected, intelligent devices defined by software. And that's where their genius stroke, a move so simple yet so revolutionary, changed the game forever, collecting and analyzing data from every Tesla on the road. Picture this: in the 20th century, a car rolled off the assembly line as a finished product. Its value only depreciated, and any issues meant a trip to the mechanic. Upgrades? Wait for the next model year. Tesla shattered that model. Every Tesla is a living, learning machine, connected to the mothership. They can spot issues before drivers notice, fix problems remotely, and, get this, improve your car over time. A Tesla you buy today might drive farther, accelerate faster, or gain entirely new features a year later, all through over-the-air updates. It's not just a car, it's a device that gets better with age. Imagine buying a 2018 Tesla Model 3, and by 2025, it's smarter, safer, and more efficient thanks to software updates. That's not a purchase, it's a lifelong partnership. This shift turns the traditional product lifecycle into a continuous learning loop. Tesla's cars aren't just vehicles, they're data collection powerhouses. With over 4 million Teslas on the road by 2025, logging 50 billion miles annually, that's 100,000 miles every minute, these cars generate a data goldmine. Each mile feeds Tesla's servers with insights on driving behavior, road conditions, battery health, and more. No competitor comes close to this scale. Ford, GM, they build cars, not data empires. Even tech giants like Waymo with 71 million autonomous miles, or Cruise with 10 million, pale next to Tesla's 3.6 billion autonomous miles by May 2025. That's not a gap, it's a chasm. So, what's in this data? Everything. Each Tesla is a sensory marvel, packed with 8 cameras for 360-degree vision, ultrasonic sensors like digital ears, and in older models, radar for pinpoint accuracy in bad weather. These cars see faded lane lines, construction zones, or potholes. They feel heavy rain, dense fog, or snow. They monitor battery health, your charging habits, even your seat position or AC settings. Cabin cameras track your eye movements to detect distraction or drowsiness. Every turn of the wheel, every brake, every acceleration, it's all recorded, analyzed, and used to make Teslas safer, smarter, and more efficient. But the real magic? It's not just one car learning, it's the entire fleet. Tesla's fleet learning means a Tesla in California navigating a tricky intersection teaches every Tesla worldwide. A car in Hanoi benefits from data collected in Berlin. A Tesla in São Paulo learns from one in Seoul. This network effect creates a self-reinforcing cycle. More cars, more data, smarter AI, better cars, more buyers. It's a data moat so deep, competitors are drowning trying to catch up. Imagine trying to replicate 50 billion miles of real-world driving data. Good luck. This data fuels Tesla's boldest ambition, full self-driving FSD. Elon Musk has bet big on AI, ditching expensive LiDAR used by competitors like Waymo for a vision-only approach. Why? Because humans drive with eyes, so Teslas should too. This is no small feat. Tesla's deep neural networks, think artificial brains, process billions of video frames to understand a chaotic 3D world from 2D images. They identify cars, pedestrians, traffic lights, predict a cyclist's turn, or spot a child darting into the street. To train these networks, Tesla built Dojo, a supercomputer designed to crunch video data at unprecedented speeds. Dojo isn't just a computer, it's a beast, swallowing footage from millions of cars to make Tesla's AI smarter every day. But real-world data isn't enough. Tesla's simulation engine creates virtual worlds, storms, fog, bizarre traffic scenarios, to test FSD in billions of simulated miles. Imagine training a car to handle a child chasing a ball into traffic without ever risking a real crash. This blend of real and synthetic data, powered by Dojo, gives Tesla an unmatched edge in the AI arms race. Data doesn't just drive autonomy, it flows through every part of Tesla's empire. Battery management? Data optimizes charging cycles, extending battery life. Manufacturing? AI-powered cameras catch defects human eyes miss, while predictive maintenance keeps gigafactories humming. Energy? Powerwalls use weather and usage data to save money and stabilize grids. Even insurance is revolutionized. Tesla's safety score tracks your driving habits to offer personalized premiums. Drive safely, pay less. It's a game changer for an industry stuck in the Stone Age. Tesla's vertical integration ties it all together. They control chips, batteries, software, charging networks, and sales. Data from your car's performance informs battery design. Manufacturing flaws feed back to engineers. Crash data refines safety algorithms. It's a living organism with data as its lifeblood, connecting every part in a seamless feedback loop. Legacy automakers, siloed and slow, can't match this. But it's not all smooth sailing. Tesla's data empire raises thorny questions about privacy and ethics. Reports of employees sharing sensitive camera footage, private moments in garages or homes sparked outrage. Tesla insists data is anonymized and opt-in, stored locally unless critical. Yet lawsuits and regulators, especially under Europe's GDPR, demand transparency. What data is collected? How long is it stored? The more data Tesla gathers, the greater the risk of breaches or misuse. Trust is their Achilles heel. Lose it, and the empire could falter. Ethical governance and transparency aren't just nice-to-haves, they're make or break. Looking ahead, Tesla's vision stretches far beyond cars. Robotaxis could turn every Tesla into a revenue-generating machine, disrupting Uber and urban transit. FSD subscriptions and AI licensing, think Optimus robots for factories, could dwarf car sales. Analysts predict tens of billions in software revenue alone. Data could power smarter cities, greener grids, and a connected future. But challenges remain. Hardware limitations mean millions of Teslas may need upgrades for unsupervised FSD, a promise unfulfilled since 2016. Tesla isn't just a car maker, it's a tech titan redefining transportation. Their legacy isn't the first electric car, it's turning data into the ultimate strategic asset, forcing an entire industry to adapt or perish. This is Boardroom Secrets, exposing the forces shaping tomorrow. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next deep dive.